Are you an ambitious student with dreams of studying abroad, exploring new horizons? Imagine receiving a prestigious scholarship that not only supports your academic journey, but also opens doors to a world of opportunities. In this video, I'll be bringing to you a fully funded scholarship in one of European countries. You have the opportunity to travel to that country, study for free, and be paid, and also be taken care of. If you are interested in this kind of opportunity, I will urge you to watch this video to the very end. You'll be able to have all the necessary information regarding the country, the awards, the program of study, the scholarship coverage, and all the other details that you need to know in order to apply for this kind of opportunity. So let's get into the video. The video will be looking at the SDU Awards, the Danish Government Scholarship, fully funded scholarship for a master's degree program. Before we go into the full details, I am Titus Ojo. If you are new to this channel, we bring you information on scholarship, study abroad opportunities, and also opportunities to relocate abroad or further your career. So if this is your first time, please kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be prompted when a new video like this is being uploaded. For returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to this channel to watch this video. So let's get into the details of the scholarship. The SDU Awards, that's the Danish Government Scholarship among international full degrees graduate studies. So the University of Southern Denmark offers the Danish Government Scholarship supported by the Ministry of Higher Education and Science to certain applicants in recognition of important investment that overseas students make during their education. So this particular scholarship is for non-EU and EEA citizens enrolling in one of the following master's degree programs in Soderberg, with program starts in September. So that will be September 2024, not 2023 in this case. So the two programs are engineering mechatronics, both profiles. The second one is MSc in engineering electronics. That's at Soderberg. So the scholarship will be awarded to the best qualified of the eligible applicants. All applicants who are offered a study place will automatically be considered for the scholarship. So in this case, no separate application is needed. So that means that you only need to submit one application, and that one application is eligible for both the scholarship and the school admissions. Look at the selection criteria. The scholarships are awarded to the best qualified candidate based on grade point average of their bachelor's degree. So it's very important that you note that the higher your grade point average for your bachelor's degree, the better your chance of being selected for this particular scholarship. To be considered for this scholarship, all necessary documentation must be present on your application at the time of submission. That's 1st of February. They can process your application. So this must be by 1st of February. So for 2024, so you must have submitted your application by 1st of February 2024, because this will be for 2024 September application. For further information about how to apply, you can click the button here. I will leave the link to this page in the description of this video. What they need is an official bachelor's transcript and diploma in English, Danish, Swedish, or Norwegian. Must include grades and units and credit for each course, tuition for the courses on your transcript, proof of English language proficiency. It is important to note that all documents must be uploaded to your online application platform. Deadline details of this particular scholarship. As mentioned earlier, it is for master's degree program, and we've taken a look at those programs that are eligible. Just two of them. that is engineering programs. So your application must be submitted not later than February 1st to be considered for a scholarship. So submit your scholarship application by the 1st of February 2024 to be eligible for that scholarship. For further information on this particular scholarship, there's a link here provided that for student services. You can click on the link and get help on any questions or information that you may want on this particular scholarship. So this is the full details about this scholarship. I will leave the link to this particular page in the description of the video. Check it out. And then if you find value in this video, please kindly like, share, leave a comment so that you help this channel to grow. Please, we'll need to reach 500 subscribers by the end of July. You can make it happen. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.